Hi everyone, today it's all about Christmas. I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick and easy balloon present. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. Take a Quicklink in a colour of your choice and inflate with 3 strokes of the hand pump. So that's to about 4 inches. Put a twist in the neck of that balloon and take hold of another Quicklink and inflate to the same size. Remove the balloon from the pump straight away so you don't lose any air through the pump. Take your 2 Quicklinks, cross over the necks, wrap around a couple of times and tie. Okay, and you're going to need 4 of these. Take another duplicate, cross over the tips, wrap round a couple of times and tie together. Again, take hold of the tip ends, cross over, wrap around a couple of times and tie. Okay? So you've got a chain of 8 linky balloons. So whether you're using Quicklinks or Linkaloons, it really doesn't matter. Okay? Take the ends, tie together, wrap around a couple of times and tie. Okay, so take hold of the hoop and bring together and wrap around a couple of times. Okay, so that's what you've got. Move this side through 90 degrees. Okay, and then pass this through the centre of this side here. Okay, so just pull it through and then pull that into the top. Okay, so that's what you've got. Take a white 260, and if you're enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Christmas series available on Vimeo via my website for a whole host of designs, including a large Santa and a Christmas moose. Next, take a white 260. I've got a tail of 4 fingers or so. Give your balloon a squeeze, make sure it's nice and soft, and make a loop of about 3 fingers. So just twist that around, take hold of that knot and nozzle and pass it through the centre. That's just going to help ensure that loop doesn't come undone. Make another loop. These loops don't have to be the exact same size. Close is good enough. Take that neck and nozzle, just wrap it around again. That's going to help secure that. And make a 3rd loop of a similar sort of size. Okay, so wrap those around. Take hold of your red balloons and take that nozzle, pull it through into the centre of that cluster there, wrap around a couple of times. Okay, again, make sure that's nice and soft. Pull your 260 down the side, we want it to fit quite snugly, and then into the base here, and at this point just put a twist into that 260 and then take hold of one of the nozzles here and just wrap that around. Okay, so that's just going to hold that in position. Again, bring your balloon up, give it a bit of a squeeze if you need to. We want it to fit snugly and wrap into the cluster at the top. Okay, depending on how much you've got left here, you might want to make a 4th loop here for your bow. It's entirely your choice. I'm just going to snip off the tip end and let the air out. And then I'm just going to tie that. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. The 260 with a tail of 4 or 5 fingers. Give it a squeeze again to make sure it's nice and soft. And just wrap that nozzle into the cluster at the top. Bring the 260 over the side here, round to the base, and again at this point Just put a split there. Okay, back up this side and into the top. So at this point, we can just twist that into the cluster at the top. Okay. So here, I'm just going to make another small loop. Just to make 4 loops in the bow. Wrap that in. Okay, and then I'm going to snip off the end here. Wrap that around the top a few more times just to secure, and then take hold of this strap, pull it through the centre of the design right to the bottom here, and then wrap around a few times. Okay. If you're going to attach this present to something, you can use this little strap as an attachment point, or you can just hide the rest inside the display. Okay, so you can just arrange your little loops on the top however you want them to sit, and then we can tidy up the rest of the design and just snip off the tips here. And there you've got a really quick and easy balloon present. If you want to find out other ways to make balloon presents, there are lots of different ways, and I have got other videos showing how to twist balloon presents, how to make them out of 5-inch rounds, and I'll leave links in the description. So be sure to pop that like button, and I'll see you again in the next video.